Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas. Today we have this really cute video here for these really cute decor flowers. You can do this really well with wool that you have left over. You only need really a crocheting hook, wool, and a scissor. Here we have the thread on still because you can just make a knot and then hang it up with those. This whole thing is made from chain stitches and slip stitches. So it's really simple, and yeah, it has this nice little cute hole in the middle. So how do you make this? So I start here with my wool. Obviously choose the right crocheting hook for the wool that you have, and then we start. So I start here with some chain stitches, and I'm gonna be doing 5 chain stitches. So 1, and so yeah, I'm gonna do 5 petals here for the flower. Number 3. Number 4, and number 5. Then we put it together to a circle. So we go back into the first stitch that we made, go in, and then pull it all the way through. So that's how we close it up. Now we have a little circle here in the middle where I kind of just poke my finger through. And then we go around the ring and do a slip stitch. And so I just pull the stitch right through. Okay, then we do 2, 3 chain stitches. We go into the circle and do a slip stitch. So we just poke into the hole here in the middle and then pull the thread right through. Now pull it out here a little closer. And so this is my first little petal, my flower petal. 2, 3 chain stitches, go into the middle and do a slip stitch. Okay, so this is the next one ready. And as you can see, this is really easy. 3 chain stitches again, then go into the middle and do a slip stitch. And this is our petal number 3. Then we go in again, and we go here again, and we do 3 chain stitches, and then go do a slip stitch into the circle in the middle. That's our flower petal number 4, and then we do 3 chain stitches again, and another slip stitch here into the circle, as we have been doing for every petal. All right, so now we have our 5 flower petals here done. So we obviously still have the hook in here still, but you can obviously see the shape already. I'm going to take my scissor, I'm going to cut the thread here. And then I'm going to pull it out and kind of pull it tight here where the last petal was. And then here we have the last, we have the 2 threads, the beginning thread and the last thread. So I can obviously just kind of tie them together and then use it as a place to hang up this little flower. Or you can cut them off, just make a little knot and then cut them off. But I like to just put them together here with a little knot. And then you can just use it to hang up the flower. If you have any twigs or something that you have where you put up your spring decorations or Easter decorations, these are really cute to put up in those kind of twigs. It's really easy and yeah, just so simple and quick to make. So I think this is a great DIY thing to do for spring. I'm going to cut off these threads here up top, and I kind of pull it tight here. You can kind of pull it into the shape that you want. And so I think this is super easy. It's so pretty. It's so quick, and you can make a lot of these either to gift or to hang up in your own home. Thank you guys for watching DIY Ideas. I hope you liked this video. If you would like to watch more, please visit my channel and subscribe for free. Please share this video with your friends, and see you next time.